Good afternoon, children.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes.
Good afternoon.
Yes. All of you, please turn on your video. You can start with. Okay, by today we will be completing this chapter. Geometric progressions. Sequence and series will get over today. Okay, yes. Children, please turn on your video, all of you. Aditya, Anashwarya, Anaga, Pooja. Yes. John Jos, Jees, Vinayak, Ranil, Vinay Varghese, Anaga, and Mary, Pranav Sajan, Shabarinath, John Philip, Sanjana. Class, we discussed about a geometric mean, isn't it? Geometric mean of two numbers A and B is given by geometric mean of two numbers A and B. It is given by Malavika. It is given by
Root AB.
root AB, isn't it? And we discussed one for polynomial formula there. Okay, well, suppose you are given two zeros A and B. Suppose you are given two zeros A and B. Polynomial is given by k into x square minus x into some plus product of the zeros. Is that no? Okay, so write the question. Write the next one. The arithmetic mean and geometric mean of two numbers. The arithmetic mean and geometric mean of two numbers are 10 and 8 respectively. The arithmetic mean and geometric mean of two positive numbers. Okay. The arithmetic mean and geometric mean of two positive numbers are 10 and 4 respectively. 10 and 4 respectively. Sorry, children, not 10 and 4, 10 and 8. 10 and 8 respectively. The arithmetic mean and geometric mean of two positive numbers are 10 and 8 respectively. Find the numbers. Find the numbers. Find the numbers. Okay, so we are given with two positive numbers whose arithmetic mean is 10 and geometric mean is 8. So you take the numbers. Okay, so let the numbers be A and B. Okay, let the positive numbers be A and B. Its arithmetic mean is 10 means, okay, it is given arithmetic mean is 10. So arithmetic mean means A plus B by 2 is 10. So from here, what you can write? A plus B is equal to 20. A plus B is 20. And look at the geometric mean. So geometric mean is given by root of AB, which is given as 8. Geometric mean root AB is 8. So from here you can write AB is equal to 64. AB is 64. Okay. We have learned quadratic equation last year. Is that no? You're going to use this concept. Product, sum of two numbers is 20. Product is 64. A plus B is 20. From here, what is A? Is it 20 minus B? So substitute here. 20 minus B into B is 64. Open the bracket. So 20B minus B square is equal to 64. So it is B square minus 20B plus 64 is equal to 0. You are getting a quadratic equation here. Product is 64. Sum is 20. Can you guess the answer? Product is positive 64 and sum is negative 20. So we can write this as B minus 4 into B minus 16 is 20. Is it correct? So we get B is equal to 4 or B is equal to 16. Okay, so we get two values here. B is 4 or B is 16. So when B is 4, what is the value of A? A is equal to 20 minus B, which is equivalent to 20 minus 4, which is 16. Similarly, when B is 16, what is A? A is 20 minus B, which is equivalent to 20 minus 16, which is equivalent to 4. Therefore, the numbers are 4, 16 or 16, 4. Either these two numbers or the other two numbers. 4 and 16 or 16 and 4. Okay, we have to write both the cases because, okay, if you take this as a GP, in the first case common ratio will be 4 and the next case common ratio will be 1/4. Okay, so write both the cases. For the two numbers are either 4 and 16 or 16 and 4. Finished? Write the next one. Write the next question. If A and G, if capital A and capital G, if A and G are, if capital A and capital G are arithmetic mean and geometric mean, if capital A and capital G are arithmetic mean and geometric mean, respectively between two numbers, A and G are arithmetic mean and geometric mean, respectively, between two positive numbers, prove that the numbers are A plus or minus root of A square minus G square. The numbers are A plus or minus root of A square minus G square. Okay. If capital A and capital G, it is given, capital A is the arithmetic mean of two numbers and capital G as geometric mean of two numbers. Then we have to prove the numbers are of the form A plus or minus root of A square minus G square. Okay. So first let us take the numbers to be, let the numbers be A and B. Let the numbers be A and B. Therefore, what is A? A is A plus B by 2. It is the arithmetic mean. So from here, what you can say? A plus B is equivalent to 2A. And what about G? G is the geometric mean, root of AB. So from here, we can write AB is equal to G square. AB is equal to G square. Okay. So now listen, children, we want to find the numbers. We don't know the numbers. Listen, all of you, 1 second, don't write, listen. So if A and B are zeros, if A and B are zeros, then the polynomial is given by what you have learned. If alpha and beta are zeros, then the polynomial is given by, what is the formula we have learned? We used to take k into, isn't it? You take k as 1. You take k as 1. So it's given by x square minus x into, is it sum of the zeros plus product? So, okay, if alpha and beta are zeros means we write x square minus x into alpha plus beta. So here instead of that it is a plus b plus ab. We want to find what is a, what is b. We want to find the value of a and b. We don't know the a and b. So what do you do? We can form a polynomial. We are going to form a polynomial whose sum and product is given. Whose sum and product is given. If you solve that equation, we will get alpha a and b. Okay, so here a plus b is given and ab is given. So substitute it. X square minus x into, what is a plus b? It is 2a plus g square. Okay, the polynomial is given by x square minus 2ax. Therefore, the quadratic equation is, what is the quadratic equation here? Therefore, the quadratic equation is x square minus 2ax plus g square is 0. So we get this as the quadratic equation. Is it clear, children? Up to this, is it okay? Pooja, Krishna Gandhi? If a and b are zeros, is it okay? G's? Akshay Varghese, tell me, children, is it okay? Any doubt up to this? Align. Pavitra? John Philip?
Ma'am, arithmetic mean is the sum of the zeros?
Arithmetic mean means it is sum of the zeros. Sum of the zeros.
Okay, ma'am.
Sum of the, okay, it is given. Arithmetic mean is it is a plus b by 2. So from there we write a plus b is twice a, twice the arithmetic mean. It is given. Okay, a is the arithmetic mean of the numbers. So how will you find the arithmetic mean? A plus b by 2. From here, you find what is the sum. Sum will be same as 2a. And what about the product of the zeros? G is root ab. So product will be g square. Is it okay, John Philip?
Yes, ma'am.
Now we have one quadratic equation. It's a quadratic equation in x. I'm going to solve it using the quadratic formula. What is the quadratic formula? X is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Use the quadratic formula. So when you use the quadratic formula, x is equal to minus b minus of minus 2a plus or minus root of b square. In the place of b, we have 2a the whole square. B square minus 4 into a into c by 2a by 2 into 1. So negative of negative, it will become positive. So 2a plus or minus root of 4a square minus 4g square by 2. 4a square minus 4g square by 2. So that is 2a plus or minus. If you take 4 as common, we will get a square minus g square by 2. What is root 4? This 2. So it is 2a plus or minus 2 into root of a square minus g square by 2. Now we can take 1, 2 as common. Therefore we get a plus or minus root of a square minus g square by 2. 2 will get cancelled. Therefore x is equal to a plus or minus root of a square minus g square. So these are the zeros. Therefore not the 0. Therefore the numbers are. Therefore the numbers are a plus or minus root of a square minus g square. A plus or minus root of a square minus g square. Go through this one, children. Is it clear? Tell me. Is it okay? Finished? Okay. Right, the next one. Right, the next one. The sum of first three terms of a GP. The sum of first three terms of a GP is 16. The sum of first three terms of a GP is 16. And the sum of next three terms is 128. Sum of first three terms of a GP is 16 and the sum of next three terms is 128. And the sum of next three terms is 128. Determine the first term. Determine the first term. Common ratio. Determine the first term, common ratio, and the sum to n terms of the GP. And the sum to n terms of the GP. And the sum to n terms of the GP. And the sum to n terms of the GP.
Ma'am, can you repeat it? Determine the first term.
The sum of first three terms. Sum of first three terms of a GP is 16. Sum of first three terms of the GP is 16. And the sum of next three terms. And the sum of next three terms is 128. Sorry. Sum of next three terms is 128. Determine the first term, the common ratio, and the sum to n terms of the GP. And the sum to n terms of the GP. Okay, read the question here. Sum of first three terms of a GP is 16. So sum of first three terms means we can take it as A plus AR square is 16. And the sum of next three terms is 128. Next three terms means third term onward. So it is AR cube plus AR raised to 4 plus AR raised to 5 is 128. Here we have to find what is the first term. First term we denote this as A question mark. Common ratio R is equal to question mark. And we have to find what is Sn. Sn also. How to do this? Sum of first three terms is 16. So we can take one A as common. If you take one A as common, we'll get 1 plus R square is 16. Name this as equation 1. Okay. Similarly, look at the second one. From the second one, what you can take as common? From the second one, it is the next three terms. So 1, 2, 3. First three terms are over. So next three terms means the fourth term, fifth term, sixth term. So from the next two terms, what you can take as common? Yes, tell me children, next three terms. AR cube, AR raised to 4, AR raised to 5. From these three terms, we can take? Yes, we can take AR cube as common. Therefore, we get 1 plus R square is 128. This is the second equation. So now what we can do? I'm going to divide the first equation by second equation. To divide the first equation by second equation. So A into 1 plus R square. When we divide LHS with LHS and RHS with RHS. Is 16 by 128. So what happens? A will get cancelled. These two will get cancelled. 16 and 128. How many times? I think it is 1 by 8 times. So 1 by R cube is equal to 1 by 8. Therefore, what is the value of R? R is 2, isn't it? R is 2. After finding R, substitute in equation 1 and find out what is A. R is 2, then find out what is A. What is the value of A, Jyoti? What is the value of A?
I'm doing.
Yes, is it over? What's the value of A, Anaga? Anaga,
16/7.
it is 16/7. Is it correct, children? A is 16/7. If A is 16/7, find out Sn. Sum to n terms. Look at the common ratio. R is 2, which is greater than 1, isn't it? So sum to n terms, we can use the formula A into R raised to n minus 1 by R minus 1. Substitute A and R. If you are getting big numbers, no need to simplify. We can leave with that. What is the value of Sn, John Joes? Sn is John. Yes, Anne Mary, give the answer, Anne Mary.
Ma'am,
Yes, John. Okay, tell.
16 by 7 into 2 raised to n minus 1.
Okay. Is it correct? Navaneet?
Yes, ma'am.
Now write the next one. Write the next question. Next one is an application question. Okay, write the question. The number of bacteria in a certain culture, the number of bacteria in a certain culture doubles every hour. Okay, it doubles every hour. The number of bacteria in a certain culture doubles every hour. It doubles every hour. If there were 30 bacteria, if there were 30, if there were 30 bacteria present in the culture originally, if there were 30 bacteria present in the culture originally, how many bacteria, there were 30 bacteria present in the culture originally, how many bacteria will be present? How many bacteria will be present at the end of second hour, at the end of second hour, comma, fourth hour, at the end of second hour, comma, fourth hour, and nth hour, and nth hour. How many bacteria will be present at the end of second hour, fourth hour, and nth hour? And nth hour. So read the question, children. The number of bacteria in the certain culture, it doubles every hour. Okay, it is getting doubled. So there were 30 bacteria present initially, originally. So A is 30. And what is given? It is getting doubled at the end of every hour. So what is the common ratio? Can we take it as 2? Okay, common ratio as 2. Now what is asked? How many bacteria will be present in the end of a second hour, fourth hour, nth hour, and so on? Okay, so let's write down what is AN. So, what is AN? What's the formula we have learned? Nth term is given by AR raised to n minus 1, isn't it? A is here 30 into 2 raised to n minus 1. Okay, so initially Okay, initially there is 30 bacteria. Now what is given? It is getting doubled. So so initially when time is 0, it is the first term. Is it correct? When the time is 0, it is the first term of the GP. When it becomes 1 hour, it is same as at the end of first hour, means it is the second term of the GP. Yes or no? Huh? At the end of third hour means A3 will give the number of bacteria at the end of third hour. Is it correct? Sorry. At the end of second hour. At the end of second hour means it will be same as A3. Initially, when time is 0, bacteria present is 30. So A2 will be same as number of bacteria present after 1 hour. A3 will be same as number of bacteria present after second hour. Now what is asked here? We are asked to find number of bacteria present at the end of second hour. So what will be the answer? What is the bacteria? Number of bacteria at the end of second hour. That means what you have to find? At the end of second hour means, is it A2? That is why I insist this. Is it A2? At the end of second hour means it will be same as the third term. It is not the second term. It is the third term. So it is A3, Shabarinath. 120. Okay. In the same way, children, you calculate how many bacteria are present at the end of fourth hour. Bacteria at the end of fourth hour. At the end of fourth hour means what do you have to find here? At the end of fourth hour means, is it A4? Pranav? At the end of fourth hour means it will be same as
A5.
A5. Very good. It is A5. So substitute the value and calculate. And the last part it is asked is at the end of nth hour. Number of bacteria at the end of nth hour. At the end of nth hour means it is second hour means it is A3. Third hour means it is A4. So nth hour means it is AN plus 1. Calculate this and check your answer. Okay, children, is it okay? So with this chapter GP is over, but you have to do as many questions as possible. Do the questions from the NCERT textbook, exercise questions and example questions. Miscellaneous questions, that day itself I told only few questions from the miscellaneous is needed. Miscellaneous, that day I give some specific, questions. 21st question. 21st question. And listen, one more thing. Here, for the science students, you have one more topic called sum to n terms. Actually, it is deleted. Sum to n terms of special series. It is deleted. Okay, you have only up to GP. The next one more exercise is there, 9.4. It is deleted. Okay. So with this, geometric progression is over, and in the next class we will be starting with the new chapter, statistics. Next common class will start with the new chapter, statistics. Okay. Is it okay? So today I'll send few questions as assignments. Okay. Copy that questions and solve. Okay, once the portion is over, I thought, okay, although I said that on Saturday, I didn't give because let's complete this portion. After that, you can start writing the assignment. Okay, children. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.